All right, now we're doing 8Q exclamation mark series number 6. Remove in exclamation marks in the sentence from left to right. This is by Mike Jinkson 2015, and 92% of the people like it. We're going to remove in exclamation marks in the sentence from left to right. In is a positive integer. So this one has 1 removed. There we go. This one has 1 removed. There we go. 100. Won't have anything there. 1 remove on here, blah blah blah. You can see the examples right there. So on this one we're going to use recursion, and we're also going to use the replace method, right? And let me show you what recursion is. The act of calling a function, the act of a function calling itself. Recursion is used to solve problems that contain smaller subproblems. A recursive function can receive 2 inputs, a base case, ends recursion, or a recursive case, resumes recursion, right? And let me show you what that means. So on this one, we're going to say if in is greater than 0, we want to do remove, and then we want to do s.replace. Let me show you what replace is real quick. The replace method returns a new string with some or all matches of a pattern replaced by a replacement. The pattern can be a string or regex, and the replacement can be a string or a function called for each match. If the pattern is a string, only the first occurrence will be replaced, all right? So basically, here's the syntax we're going to use. We're going to use replace, regex, and then new substring. Actually, we're not even going to do that. We're just going to do the substring with a new substring right here. Let me show you what I mean. So we do the s.replace, then we're going to do the substring, which will be the exclamation point, and then we're going to replace it with another string, which will be nothing in between quotes, right? And then when that goes through, we want it to end up in -1, all right? That way, it'll go through once, it'll take 1 off, and then it'll subtract 1 from the in. So let's say there's, on this one here, no, I don't like that one. Here's 3 right here. So it'll take this first one off, and then it'll have, in will be 2, and then it'll take the second one, in will be 1, and then it'll take the third one off, and then in will be 0, and then it'll just stop and leave this behind right here. All right, hopefully that makes sense to you. All right, and if not, or at the end of it, we're just going to put s, you know. And so let's see how this works. Let's see if it works. It does. Good. Attempt it. Looks good. All right, submit it. Great. All right, let's go to my solutions. Just me. Oh, actually 2 of us. Best practice on this one. Very much like it, and we'll see you next time.